So, good morning, Earth and Space Science students. There are a few things I wanted to go over with you as we start back here after spring break. So I thought this would be a good format in which to do it. So first of all, I have and will be, moving forward, placed the correct answers for your assignments in Schoology. They are located in your assignments folder and they are labeled answers to whichever section. So in your section 6E assignments folder, you have a file that has all of the answers in it. The issue I have with this is, what am I going to do with late work? So to study for the quiz for section E, I've posted all the assignment answers together. And because I have to accept late work up until the quiz, I think this is the fairest method. Once I have posted a test or a quiz, I'm not going to accept any late work. All right. I would like to specifically point out that I cannot let you choose questions to answer for your tests like I normally do. I don't think that there is any way I can set that up in Schoology. I've tried. But again, you have a technically challenged teacher, and I have not figured out a way to do that, so I apologize for that. You're going to have to answer every question like a regular test. The tests will be timed, but I will give you a big window in which to work on them, from the published date to the due date. So that way, if others in your family need to use the electronic device, or Schoology is running funkily or whatever, that's not going to be an issue. But once you start the test, you have to finish the test. You can't come back to it later. I would also like to point out that I have taken away the INB sections from your Schoology class. Maybe you've already noticed that. I think it's a better idea to embed the notes, activities, labs, handouts, whatever, in the assignment for you. And that's what I've been doing. It makes it easier for you because you can access all of the information in one place. I couldn't go over the sun as much as I would have liked. Most of the information we were going to use was from your book, which is not accessible at this point. And so all I have really is the Sun-Earth connection. And I do want to point out that you only have to go to question 17, I believe, on that worksheet. The next section that we are going to cover is about rocks, minerals, and fossils. So all of the topics are where we are actually touching specimens, and that's core to our learning. So I'm trying to pare down the information while still giving you an overview. It's important information, but it's not going to be the same not being able to touch them. So it will be a significantly smaller section. Then the last information we will go over is meteorology. We will be looking at Earth's atmosphere, the weather, and weather forecasting a little bit. Again, it's going to be greatly pared down because of the labs that we normally do, but I will try to give you an overview look of many different topics. So moving forward, we are going to be moving fairly quickly through the information, but I will give you plenty of time to complete the assignments. Let's make this final push a good one and complete the class on a high note.